Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you ever get weak, brittle nails like I do, then this Essie nail strengthener will greatly improve your problem. So I typically wear nail strips, but I find that after a few rounds, my nails are peeling or they're just breaking easily and just not optimal. But using this nail strengthener has greatly improved that. It's super easy to use and I love how smoothly it goes on. Now it is clear, but when you put it on, it gives your nails a really nice natural pink look to them, which I really love, and it just makes them look really shiny and nice and fresh. So I use this after a few rounds of using nail polish, the nail strips, and then I just find that it really helps the health of my nails. I find personally that I'll put them on a really nice clean nail, and then after about 2 to 3 days you can see that it's kind of naturally wearing off, but you can also feel how much better your nails feel and how much stronger they feel. So what I usually do is on day 3 take off that layer and then I do one more round, and then after that I feel like my nails are the perfect strengthness and ready for a nice new manicure. This nail strengthener from Essie is the perfect one to use in between my nail polish coats. I like that it gives my nails a nice fresh look and a beautiful shine and really helps strengthen them. And that's my point of view.